Hey guys, this is Landon Outdoors. We are out here on Black Otter in Hortonville, Wisconsin, with my grandparents' kayaks. My brother over there. I'm trying a little trick today. We're going over to a kayak landing. We're gonna have a little topwater frog, and we're gonna have it dragging behind me. So I'll update you guys, see if it works. Subscribe. Update on my fishing trip. Nothing happened. But anyways, guys, look how beautiful this field is. Like, I've never seen a more beautiful field compared to this one. I gotta find my lost glove, but we're gonna stack this wood. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe.